Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Valorant Error Code 79 while you are playing the Valorant game. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Task Manager. Click on it under the best match. We are going to completely close the Valorant from here. So simply look for Riot Client or the Valorant right here. So what you can do, make a right click, select End Task. Now look for the more right here. So once you have completely closed it from here, you can already launch the application and see if it is working fine this time. We also need to check the VGC service if it has stopped running or if it is running. So type services in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Then scroll down to the V section as these are arranged in alphabetical order. Now once you find VGC, make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If it has stopped running, click on Start. If this is already running, click on Stop. Click on Start to restart the service. Click on Apply and click on OK and close the window. Then locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click, select Show More Options. Click on Properties. Now click on the third tab, which is the Compatibility tab, and here you'll find this option. Disable full screen optimizations. Run this program as an administrator. Check these two boxes. Click on Apply and click on OK. Then click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet in the list of options on the left pane. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click on Network Reset. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. So make sure that you do not forget your connection password. Click on Reset Now and click on Yes. And after that, your PC will be restarted. Then reconnect to your network and then launch the game afterwards. Then we can also run some commands. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Type here NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit Enter. Next command, IP config space / flush DNS. Hit Enter. Type exit. Hit Enter. And then restart your Windows. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Also, do not forget to update your Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. Then simply click this button right here. So this will check, download, and install all the updates for your Windows, which is a very good thing. And once you're updated, close this and then just restart your Windows and then launch the game afterwards. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.